welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi.
And today we are unboxing, it is another advent calendar. So you would have seen already on this channel, we do lots of advent calendars coming up to Christmas. Ones that we want personally, and to show you what's inside of them before you go out and buy them and stuff like that. We've done the Harry Potter Lego one, that was quite fun, wasn't it? And now we have got the Freddy Funko Funko Shop exclusive calendar. So this has been out, I think it might be about 2 or 3 years now. They just bring it out onto the Funko Shop every year, about a month or two before Christmas.
Never heard of it before.
Haven't you?
No.
I've seen it a couple of times, so I've never been able to grab it. But if you don't know now, me and Jasmine have got our own website where we sell pop figures. We try to get the new ones that are in the US over with the US stickers like Hot Topic and stuff like that, just to help the other collectors out and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll leave links in the description if you want to check that out. We are selling these on our website also. These are priced at, if I remember rightly, it's £75, and it was free shipping also. These are currently on the Funko Shop, I think, or they might have sold out. I think they were $50 or $60. So like I say, by the time we get it over here and stuff like that. But yeah, it's £75 if you want one. Leave links in the description and stuff like that. But you get to see what's in it first before you buy. So that's a good thing, isn't it, Jazz?
Yes.
So yeah, she showed you the back, she showed you the front, the side's got the crown on. Boom. And I'm doing it. Just sat there. I don't know what's going on.
A bow. Like
like a present. Yes. And it's sellotaped either end, so you know no one's been into it.
Cheap.
So we'll open it up and see what we get. It's just a pint-sized hero, Freddy Funkos. There'll be all different ones. I think there's the like Freddy Funko with like reindeer antlers on
and nose.
And yeah, Rudolph's nose and stuff like that. So it do look pretty cool. I haven't actually opened one of these before, so I'm not sure if it's like sets a scene. If you watched our Harry Potter Lego one, it opened up and it like you could put them in front of the doors and it set a nice scene of the old ball, the Harry Potter one. Is this the same, Jazz? No?
No, I don't think so.
It doesn't look like it.
No floppy bit.
Oh, so there isn't. So it'll just be your pint-sized heroes that we go through. So what we'll do, we'll go through the doors. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I like that. I like where it goes just like that, so it's not all over.
I don't.
Oh, you don't? Oh, you like to find them?
A hunt.
You like the hunt. I like it. So yeah, we'll open them up and then we'll show you which is in each one. At least we don't have to put them all together like the Lego one. You can just show them, can you, Jazz?
Yeah.
So number 1 is I was going to go da-dun, da-dun, dun, no, do a little thing, but then I changed my mind and just said door.
They're hard to open.
Oh, so they come in little blind bags, which is pretty cool as well. Poo bags.
They are a bit hard to open, so that may just be me.
Ooh.
It didn't work.
Didn't it? Thought you'd done dead good. Here, I'll open them, you peek.
Peek at what? Oh.
There you go. What's the first one? Come on.
That's the...
Oh, it's what they call
Nutcrackers.
Nutcrackers, that's one. Good lass. Well done. Soldiers. Well, they are sort of.
They are, but the Nutcrackers.
Look how cute he is. Oh, you can get the 3-pack pop figures, you know. Nutcrackers.
Hmm?
The Freddy Funko 3-pack pop figures. Yeah. Can. Sure we can. You sure that? I'll see if I can prove you wrong. She just looked at me like I was a lunatic.
Little ginger.
So,
I like the detail in them. In the upper side. Oh, metallic.
Hold on. Yeah, that's what I was going on about anyway. You can get the 3-pack pop figures. But yeah, I might have to get that now.
They're adorable.
Anyway, so that was door number 1. We will speed up. Do you?
Yeah.
I think we've got a Harry Potter calendar down there. That has also got pint-sized heroes in Jasmine,
No,
which
they're
will be on the
not
channel soon, aren't they?
They're not pint-sized heroes.
Oh, they're pocket pops.
Yeah.
Right. Pint-sized heroes. They were the. Do you remember the Spider-Mans we opened? The full box of them.
Yeah, I remember.
They were cool, weren't they?
Oh, he's wearing candy cane.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look at him. Oh, nearly dropped it.
Did you nearly drop that? You
know
wouldn't have
you
picked
could
it up
see.
though, would you?
No.
So yeah, I don't know if you can see them. I'll put them here. Along this line here at the table. I'm going to knock these over at one point. You know where I'm like. So number 3.
Oh, wow. I did that so nicely.
It's actually quite a straight cut, that one. Oh, he's got his little crown on.
He's wearing a Christmas sweater.
Oh, these are brilliant.
They're adorable.
So Freddy Funko with his crown on. He's got his Christmas jumper on. There's a question for everyone. What's everyone's Christmas jumper go-to? So like, I've always wanted a Superman Christmas jumper. I've seen it in Xavier, I think it was. What Christmas jumper have you got?
I don't know.
Oh, do you remember the Christmas pudding one I had?
I do remember that one.
It was good, that one,
I
wasn't it?
remember the pudding hat.
Oh, I had a Christmas pudding jumper and a Christmas pudding hat to go with it. And I think I walked around Disneyland with that on. Do you remember? There's a photo of me.
That was one as well. Door number 4.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
Door number 4. This might take longer than the Lego one. So we have... Oh, that's pretty cool. Don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. It's like a metallic. A metallic. Hey. I'm not starting again, Jazz. Oh, no, I'll try not to anyway. So yeah, it looks like a metallic Freddy Funko,
and silver.
which is pretty cool. I don't know if there's any like rarities, like if they're different in every door for every calendar. I'll have to do some research and leave it in the description below. Like maybe you could have got like a ultra rare one, or sorry.
Take one out. Ultra rare.
Ultra rare.
Remember them things that I used to have, them Disney little, what are they called? You know, they were laying down and they were Disney characters.
Oh,
Like,
Zum Zums. Yeah. You had hundreds of
I
them.
know.
Oh, he's another nutcracker in there.
Oh,
Oh, he's
Carol.
singing. Yes, he's like, oh.
nice. Oh.
I don't know, what's a carol? We don't carol sing up north.
Carolyn, you go door to door
We
and
just
just
get shouted
sing
at
to
and told to shut
people.
up.
Literally, you go door to door and sing at people.
They do it a lot in America, don't they?
Yeah, Americans weird.
They're not. Have you seen how they do Halloween?
Americans are crazy.
They're brilliant though. Oh,
Yeah.
wouldn't you
I
love
want-
to go to America for Halloween?
For any holiday.
For any holiday? Yeah, I agree.
But like Easter, and there'll be a massive Jesus inflatable balloon outside
Yeah,
someone's
yeah.
door.
And like loads of people running around dressed up as bunnies and
Yeah,
all sorts, and doing big mad Easter hunts and all. It's just
crazy.
they go that step further.
We always
do.
go a step further.
Yeah. Which is pretty cool. I like it. I'd love to go on there, don't we? We both would, wouldn't we?
I want to live in America.
Yeah.
Pew.
So
Anyways,
anyway, yep.
Elf Freddy. He's got the ears.
Oh, these are so good.
The detail.
Who's got the Christmas trees up as well? We've got ours up. We've had it up about, did you say 2 weeks?
Since the 1st of November, we've had that tree up.
Yeah, it was
The
getting a
1st of
little.
November.
We were a little bit depressed because of lockdown. We thought, let's cheer ourselves up. Even me even me first at one point was like, I don't want the tree up yet. It's way too early.
Yeah.
And then since I bought a new Christmas tree and the wife wanted to see what it was like and put it up, I was like, yeah, let's get the rest up. He's a little bit drunk, that one. Got a wobble on. Anyway, so this is number 7. Might have to speed it up a little bit, Jazz.
Oh, I'm trying.
Oh, that's cool. I hope there is some ultra rares to get.
He's clear. He's transparent. Kind of. Translucent.
Translucent. Translucent means you see right through it though, doesn't it?
No, that's transparent. It's when you go. It's being clear.
Right, okay. Go on then.
Translucent is where it's clear but it's not at the same time.
There's a pop figure of this. I think there's a Freddy one and there's also a Anna one, from Frozen, where she gets froze. It looks exactly like that. What?
Nice.
What? Can you believe me?
No, I believe you.
That's pretty cool. I like that. Yep.
He is frozen.
Next one. I really like that. These are different, these, because it doesn't show you many on the back. It only shows you like 1 or 2. And that's why I thought there was one with antlers, because there's one that looks like it on the back. But these are brilliant, these.
Another nutcracker.
Oh, cool.
But in a red.
In a red outfit. I'm going to put all the nutcrackers together.
Yeah.
Cool. So we got another nutcracker.
Adorable.
Yeah, Anna.
Yeah.
This is brilliant, this. So number 9.
Oh.
Oh, have you got extras?
No.
Alright.
Felt his body after and it felt detached.
Oh no, we haven't got a headless Freddy, have we?
No.
Oh, look at
He's got a woolly hat!
that. These are so good.
Look at him. His little jacket and his hat with the... whatever that's called, I forgot what
This
it's called.
is so
Is
good.
that a pom-pom?
Yep.
Pom-pom.
Or bobble.
Bubble. Oh,
Pom-pom bobble. Don't know.
Number 10.
Number 10 is... Oh, how class would it be if 24 was like a gold one? No, like I would have done this, but pure gold. Not pure gold, you know what I mean?
Oh, Chef Freddy.
Oh, Chef Freddy. I'm really liking this calendar.
This is my favourite one so far. Look at him. Chefing it up.
Hey chef, make me some Christmas pancakes. I nearly done the hey Spider-Man, do a flip.
You can't really send it though.
Christmas pancakes.
Christmas pancakes.
Yeah. What do we have on a Christmas morning?
Bacon sandwiches.
Bacon sandwiches.
You gotta have a bacon butty.
You do. This dude will not stand up. We have a sleepy burger. Right, so this is number 11.
Oh, he's an elf! With a crown on! And the
Oh,
ears!
there's going to be a few elves, Jazz. Yes.
Elves.
Elves. Elves.
Plural.
Best Christmas film, by the way, Elf.
It's... Every time I watch it gets worse.
No, it does not. It gets better.
It gets more annoying.
Call me an angry elf one more time.
Need something new. Need more new Christmas films.
Yeah, we do.
But there probably won't be any this year because of what's
No.
gone down.
Yeah. So, number 12. These are cool. These are so cool. Apologies if we're getting rather excited over these little Freddy.
He's a snowman!
I'm saying I apologise for getting so excited, but I don't care. This is so good.
Look at him!
Oh my! There's a pop figure like that, isn't it? I'm sure I've seen it.
I don't know.
I know I keep going back to pop figures all the time, but these are absolutely brilliant. I'm gonna, as soon as we finish this video, I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna find a dedicated space to put all of these.
My top 2 favourites. No.
What, the baker and the snowman?
Yeah.
Up to now, I'm liking the clear one, and I like the snowman as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Right, so what does this?
13.
13. I'm looking for some.
Can you get married on this day?
Oh yeah,
13th.
Friday the 13th. I got married on. Well, technically it was a 14th-ish.
You signed the papers on Friday the 13th.
Yeah, I got married abroad, so I signed the papers on Friday the 13th, and then we've done the ceremony on the 14th.
No.
Terms and conditions.
Another Carola.
Oh, look at his guy's eyes. He's probably going for it. Where's the other one? This is him, isn't he?
Adorable.
These
Oh
are
my God.
so good.
They're so adorable.
So yeah, anyway.
Yeah, you could set a scene, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could. So, number 14. Seems like it's taking ages this, but I'm enjoying every single second of it.
Nice.
Here we go.
He's got some Christmas pajamas on.
Oh, it's what looks like a onesie.
It is?
Nice.
No, he's got the...
Oh, has he got his butt
He's
there?
got the butt flap. With a green crown on. Lovely Christmas colours. Look at the butt flap.
These are so good.
That's so adorable. Wow.
Yeah, a little cheeky smile on his face and everything. Anyway, door number 15.
Yes.
Go. What's this one? What's this one? Show me. I didn't see. Show me. Oh, Gingerbread Freddy's brilliant.
Top 3 favourite. Look at him.
Jasmine, at the end, I'm going to ask you to pick your top one.
In my top.
And everyone else who's watching as well, right at the end, once you've watched the video and stuff, comment in the comment section what was your favourite Freddy when we finished. I don't know what my favourite is up to now, you know. I think it might be still Snowman.
I've got 3. Baker, Snowman and Gingerbread.
Gingerbread's brilliant, like.
He's got a present!
Oh, cool!
He's holding a present! Wow! Look at him! That is adorable. Why do they make it so adorable?
These are brilliant.
It's a very long line.
I'm so wish I'd got one before now.
Yeah.
I'm glad to have one now. So.
Be grateful.
I am.
What you
I'm
get.
very grateful. Grateful for everything I get.
Ooh, nice double golden Freddy.
Oh, damn. I said there would be one, didn't I?
It's like the star on a Christmas tree.
Oh, God blesses everyone. That's a cool one. That's a cool one.
Yeah.
Ultra rare.
I have to open them.
So, door number 18.
Indeed. Did I end up cutting myself? Snowman.
So, I'm getting excited.
Another elf.
Oh,
Where's-
there's 3 elves now. That's 3 altogether.
With this one's got a red crown. Mm.
Oh, right, yeah. There's one here.
That's an elf.
Oh, shavings.
That one. This one.
That's how one look at his ears? Oh, no. That's what his normal ears.
No, we got one with
Right.
hat.
Are we very... We'll play with them later.
There he is. A little elf Freddy. Wow.
Oh. All I do is touch him and knock him over. So, door number 219. 219. Oh, is it a sled? Sledge or whatever you want to call them.
Sledge.
We call them sledge, don't we? In America
Sledge.
we call them
We call them sledge.
sledges.
Sledges.
In America, what do they call them in America?
Sledges? I don't know. I'm not American. Look at him. Oh my god, there's a proper wooden sledge as well.
That is brilliant. Oh, it'd be class if there was one of him, like with a snowball in his hand or something. Oh, look at that. Oh, like in a sleigh.
A sleigh?
That'd be cool. Dressed up as Santa.
Maybe on the 24th one.
That is so cute.
It's adorable. Oh, he's head's on backwards. That's it.
Whoa,
That's not
bit
right.
of Exorcist.
He's an angel.
Oh,
He
that
is Gabriel.
So cute.
Look at him.
Oh, this is brilliant. Yeah, this is absolutely brilliant.
Little Gabriel. Oh my god.
His little wings. His little
21.
wings and stuff. Anyway,
Number-
number 21.
What? Damn. Get.
Look at that mess.
Oh my god.
What we got?
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's a
Another
drummer boy.
That's adorable. The little parade one.
Like that. Right, Anna. You like my little drum roll?
Yeah. You are a pure little kid.
Still young at heart, Jones. Still young at heart.
As you should. Next one. Oh!
What is
Oh!
it?
Oh, he's a Jack in the Box.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Is this just coming to your top 3?
Yeah, we're top 4 now. Oh,
Nope, it's
Mama.
me. It's always me.
look at him. Oh my god. That is brilliant. Oh my god, I would never have thought. Oh my god. Oh my god. 23.
Yep, number 23. Sorry, I keep forgetting to tell you the doors. I'm enjoying this so much.
Oh,
Oh, that's the one that was on the back of the box.
Yeah. Look at him.
That is brilliant, that. That is brilliant.
Rudolph Freddy.
So we have a reindeer. Freddy.
Rudolph Freddy.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh, copyright.
That was some beautiful singing.
Thank you. Right, number 24. It's got to be Santa on, isn't it? Getting too excited. Shouldn't get excited. I'm 40-year-old. Right, but I don't care. I bet this is Santa because we've got a reindeer one there for 24, so it's got to build it up to Santa then. Was there only one in that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm calling it Santa.
You are calling it
Yeah.
Santa. It is.
Nailed it.
It is.
That is brilliant.
Santa Freddy.
Did you go a bit closer, Charles?
Yeah, I nearly hit the camera.
So, that is absolutely brilliant, right? So, my favourite has got to be... I don't know. Oh.
Oh.
Do you know what? I actually like... The one that makes me smile the most is that one.
Oh.
Is the one. So, yeah, which one's your favourite?
Oh, 4.
All them 4 there. Baker, Snowman, Gingerbread and Jack in the Box.
Yeah.
No, pick one.
I can't. Yeah, probably put that one.
Oh, you're narrowing them. You're down to 3. Which one? Come on. While we're doing this, write in the comments which one's yours favourite. And hit the subscribe button. Why not?
Don't forget to go on our website as well.
I know,
Buy
yeah.
some pops. Spend your own money on pops.
Oh, what do all the other YouTubers say? 80% of you that watch and not subscribe.
According to YouTube's
Statistics.
I can't even say that word. So.
Anyway.
Probably
Jack in a Box.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the winner. So yeah, let us know in the comments what your favourite was. Like I say, if you do want to pick one of these up, they're on our website. Links in the description below. And don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, and you'll be entered and can win a mystery box giveaway at the end of the month.
Yep, and as always, thanks for tuning in to Watch Us Do Our Thing. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.
Right guys, we're back. This has been about 5 minutes since we ended the video, but we wondered what was rattling around in the box, and we noticed in the box there is like a scene. You remember me telling you at the beginning that the Harry Potter one had like a snow effect that pulled down from the box and stuff. Well, this has actually got one that you build. As you can see, Jasmine's building it there. It is like a toy Winter Wonderland, isn't it, type thing?
Yeah.
Do you want to show 'em?
I'm trying.
So yeah, that is what you get. You can flatten it all out and stuff like that, and then you put all your Freddies on it and stuff to make a nice little scene. So that's what we'll be doing downstairs underneath the Christmas tree.
There's little doors. Open all.
Oh, yeah, look, hang on. Where's the singing one?
Yeah, look,
Watch.
hang on.
Watch.
They probably didn't even see that.
Oh. Oh well, wasted. Anyway. So yeah, anyway, like I say, like, share, comment, like Jasmine said. Catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.